Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth for hot pot. First, select your primary broth base. A good foundation is crucial, so consider using a high-quality chicken, pork, or vegetable stock. Next, infuse your broth with essential aromatics like several slices of fresh ginger, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and a couple of green onions. Allow these ingredients to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, letting their flavors meld beautifully into the liquid. To elevate your hot pot broth, consider adding dried ingredients. Dried shiitake mushrooms, rehydrated, offer a deep umami, while a small handful of goji berries adds a subtle sweetness and vibrant color. For a savory boost, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, or a dash of fish sauce. A small piece of rock sugar, about the size of a quarter, or a teaspoon of honey, will perfectly balance the overall flavor profile. Now let's talk about customizing your broth. If you prefer a spicy kick, incorporate a handful of dried red chilies, a teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, and 2 tablespoons of chili bean paste. For a milder option, focus on a pinch of white pepper, a splash of rice wine, about 2 tablespoons, and a drizzle of sesame oil. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings as you go, ensuring the broth perfectly matches your desired intensity. Finally, for serving, you might want to strain your broth to remove any solids, resulting in a clearer, more refined liquid. Transfer the prepared broth to your hot pot vessel and place it on a portable burner at your table. Maintain a gentle simmer throughout your meal. As the liquid reduces, replenish it with additional hot water or more of your prepared stock to ensure a consistent and delicious hot pot experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.